Congratulations and welcome to Travel Safety Abroad. This course will help you prepare to spend some time on your vacation, providing information to help keep you safe during your travels. For over a quarter century, I've been traveling the world, conducting research and studying tourism, including issues related to travel safety and security. Now I want to pass along what I've learned over the years to help make your trip a safe and enjoyable experience. This course is designed to help you to travel safely, using a collection of materials brought together to enhance your travel safety and security. To get the most out of this course, it is recommended that you spend time with each section, including a review of any supplemental material provided to the side of each lecture. The purpose of this course is to act as a primer concerning travel safety abroad. Its goal is to give you the tools with which to work so that you can lessen the probability that something will happen. In technical terms, this lessening of the probability of a negative event is called risk management. To facilitate your travel and help you manage risks, we have divided this course into a number of lectures, covering everything from general safety to a checklist to use before you go. There are also quizzes for each section to help reinforce what you have learned. And after completing the course, you will be able to immediately print out a certificate of completion. A note of caution: no matter how much you learn from this course, it is essential that you, the traveler, understand there is no course or source of information that can guarantee your total safety in the world of travel. Nothing in the world is ever static. Political situations change. Earthquakes may occur. Dormant volcanoes can suddenly come back to life. And in our interconnected world, health and food safety issues can appear overnight. Lastly, if at any time during the course you have a question either regarding course material or travel safety in general, please don't hesitate to send us a message. Or if you think the question may benefit other students, use the discussion feature. Once again, thanks for signing up and enjoy the course.